Hey friends, if you wish to install and use AnyDesk on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, ideally, I advise users to download any software through the Microsoft Store. But is AnyDesk available on Microsoft Store? The answer is no, and I'll show you by searching for it. It will give you other options, but AnyDesk is not available. So, what's the best method to download it virus and malware free? Open Microsoft Edge and then search for AnyDesk on Bing. You can also search for AnyDesk download to be more precise. And when you do, then you'll get the download button at the top. Now, when you click on the download button, it will redirect you to the official AnyDesk website. I'm not saying that Bing is 100% infallible. It may be wrong by selecting the wrong software product, but that would be less than 1% cases. As of present, this is the best bet that we have. And now click on download now, and it will start downloading. And once it does, click on open, and this will open AnyDesk. And you'll get your address here. You can share this address with the person you want to invite, and then click on invite, and you can send the session to the person, or you can enter their invite code and connect with them. You'll have to enter their address here. It may also ask for the password, and that's how you use AnyDesk for connecting. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.